Yo, it's Guilds, and this is a quick video on if you're using the Unc0ver jailbreak and it's fucking up for you, or it's messing up, it's freezing, it's crashing, some apps aren't working, whatever, you know. I used the Unc0ver jailbreak and it was quite fast, but, you know, some of my apps weren't working and I just kept getting in a respring loop. Every time I'd respring my device, it'd get stuck respringing forever, so fuck that, having a jailbreak that does that. It's supposed to be fixing stuff, but fuck that, man. Just delete that shit. So what you want to do is go into Unc0ver, and you want to make sure you have airplane mode on. You go to settings, you want to turn all this shit off. All of it off, alright? And still go multipath in the middle if you're on 11.3 or 11.2.6. If you're on 11.1 or whatever, you got to use AW. Don't use EL, that's shit. And only one you want to tick on is, no, not that one, is restore root FS, and you want to do that a fair couple times. That'll reset everything, you know what I mean? Like, not your data, but it'll reset the jailbreak and remove all the jailbreak stuff. So you just click jailbreak and let that do its thing, and it'll say the fucking root FS has been restored. See what it says there? It'll say restore root FS completed. So you do that, do it again, do it a couple times, make sure it says it a couple times, just to make sure. And then you want to download Electra, alright, and you download Electra from this website, I'll show you. You should know where to download it from if you've already got everything. You just go ignition.fun, and then you want to download Electra 11.3, or whatever jailbreak you're on, you want to get that one. And of course you already got the Unc0ver. You need that just to remove the stuff, and then get Electra as well. This one here, you want that, go install, you just click install, it takes a second. Alright, just wait for it here. Fuck, it's taking a little bit out. Here we go, install. That should install in no time. Yep, already pretty much done. Here we go, Electra. So, yeah, you want to have that ready. I don't know why that's glitching out, but that's the same app there. Yeah, you want to open up Electra, and you want to try and jailbreak with Electra. It's not going to work properly, but you want to actually jailbreak with Electra so that you can use Electra to reset it. So, just, I know it might be tiring, but keep doing Electra and try and install it, and it'll install Electricitia instead of Unc0ver Citia, and that's what you want. So then you can use the Electra, you click on the Electra, you unjailbreak, and that'll reset all your phone, all the data. Just delete all the jailbreak shit. It'll delete all your shit too, but you want that so that you can go back to a jailbreak that doesn't get in a respring loop. So get out of that. That should fully reset your phone. It'll fully reset everything. You'll know when it's done it. And once it's done that, simply just go back to ignition, download Electra. That's all you need to get this time, only Electra. And bang, you're back to a good jailbreak. Go click Electra, jailbreak with that, and you're back to using a good jailbreak. Alright? So I know I didn't show you too much, but that's exactly what you do. If you're having issues, just follow exactly what I said, and you will have a good jailbreak once again that works. And Electra is now even faster apparently. Anyways, it's been updated recently. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.